Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install a app for a specific user. This is very easy technique, so don't forget to watch full video. I have downloaded the installation file of the app in Documents. Now I have access in Document folder. Now click on the installation file of the app. Click OK. So next again. Now the location of the installation file. So we need to change this location. We will not install our app in C drive program files, the default location of any installed app. Okay, we will not install in C drive programmer. If you install any app to C drive program files, that means any user can use this app. Okay, now I am going to change. Click on browse. We need to install our app in users app data folder. We need to install in users app data folder. As because app data folder is a hidden folder, we need to make it visible. So open File Explorer. Click on View. Now click on Options. Now click View. Now click on Show all hidden files and folders. Then click Apply OK. Now expand my PC. Go to local drive C drive. Now expand users. Now expand that users file for which user you want to allow to use this app. I am selecting administrator. Now look, now I can see app data. Expand app data, then click on local. Okay, select local, then click OK. Now click on install. After completion the installation, you need to restart your computer and you will see that only the selected user can use the app. Okay, installation has finished. Now click on finish. Now restart your computer. Okay, thank you very much. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch for next tutorial.